Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by choosing firm cucumbers and trimming the blossom ends to prevent softening. This preserves crunch. Once done, sterilize jars and lids to avoid contamination and measure a basic brine, typically 1 part vinegar to 1 part water with 2% salt by weight or 1 tablespoon per cup. Make the brine now and heat it until hot but not boiling. Then pack cucumbers snugly into jars, leaving about 1/2 inch headspace so the brine can circulate and seal properly. Next, layer aromatics, fresh dill, garlic, mustard seed, and a few peppercorns because they infuse flavor during pickling. Make sure to distribute them evenly among jars. This gives each jar balanced taste. Then pour the hot brine over the packed cucumbers until you maintain that 1/2 inch headspace. Once filled, slide a non-metallic spatula around the jar to remove air bubbles and top up brine if needed. Finally, wipe the rims clean and apply lids finger-tight, so pressure can build if you plan to process. For final steps, either process sealed jars in a boiling water bath for 10 to 15 minutes for shelf-stable pickles, or simply refrigerate for quick pickles and let flavors develop. Once jars are done, cool them undisturbed on a towel for 12 to 24 hours and confirm lids have sealed concave. Label with date and store appropriately. If something goes wrong, say cloudy brine or soft cukes, check your vinegar concentration and processing time. Insufficient acidity or underprocessing is usually the cause, and adjust next batch accordingly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.